In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcams on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TiESFONG M10 Max Dashcam. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max Dashcam is a high-performance, multifunctional car DVR designed for comprehensive safety monitoring with 4-channel recording capability. Featuring a 2K 1440p resolution front camera, it supports up to 4 lenses, including an optional rear camera, all powered by the industry-leading MSTAR88 series chipset and Galaxy Core GC4653 plus GC2053 sensors. The device offers advanced features such as 24-hour radar parking monitoring, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, Super IR night vision, wide dynamic range, WDR, loop recording, and GPS logging for real-time surveillance. With a built-in microphone for audio recording and support for Class 10 U3 or higher memory cards up to 256 GB, it ensures clear and stable video storage. The dashcam operates on a 12V, 24V power supply and includes options for hardwiring to the car fuse box for parking monitoring. Its IPS display, intuitive design, and multilingual OSD interface make it user-friendly, while certifications like CE, FCC, and RoHS guarantee quality. The package includes various accessories such as a charger cable, optional radar and hardwire kit, and rear cam, ensuring versatility and convenience for users. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a high-performance 3-channel dashcam designed to enhance driving safety with advanced features and cutting-edge technology. It supports multiple configurations, including 4K front recording, 4K plus 1080p front and rear recording, and 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p front, cabin, and rear recording, offering versatility for different needs. Equipped with a Novatec chipset and advanced sensors, it delivers ultra-clear video quality, even in low-light conditions, with its IR night vision capability. The dashcam features built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid video downloads, GPS tracking to record speed, route, and location data, and a wide 150 degrees viewing angle. Additional highlights include loop cycle recording, parking monitoring, G-sensor, waterproof design, anti-vibration, and multilingual support. It comes with a free 64GB SD card, expandable up to 256GB, and offers a user-friendly IPS display. With its robust build and innovative features, the AZDOME M550 Pro is ideal for drivers seeking reliable and comprehensive vehicle surveillance. Number 3. VIOFO A129 Plus. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is a high-performance dual dash camera system designed for comprehensive road recording. It features a front camera with 2K, 2560x1440p, resolution at 60 frames per second and a rear camera with 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, both equipped with high-quality Sony Stavus sensors for superior image clarity, even at night, thanks to HDR and super night vision. With a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and support for a mobile app, users can easily access footage, log GPS data, and adjust settings. The device supports multiple parking modes, including auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording, with an optional hardwire kit for continuous operation. Additional features include G-sensor, motion detection, loop recording, and a built-in microphone and speaker. The dashcam supports up to 256GB SD cards and optional accessories like a corporal filter and Bluetooth remote control. It comes with a comprehensive package of installation tools and a 1-year warranty, making it an ideal choice for reliable and detailed road monitoring. Number 4. AZDOME M660 Dashcam. The AZDOME M300 Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR equipped with a 150 degrees wide-angle lens that captures full HD 1296p video, providing detailed images of road conditions, such as license plates and road signs, across 3 lanes. It features Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, allowing users to view and download videos directly to their smartphones without needing to remove the memory card. Designed for optimal functionality in various conditions, it boasts advanced night vision with an f2.0 wide aperture and 6-layer glass lens for improved low-light performance. The dashcam includes emergency recording triggered by a G-sensor, loop recording to overwrite old footage while preserving locked files, and a 24-hour parking monitor when hardwired to the car battery. Additional features include motion detection, anti-vibration, wide dynamic range, and a supercapacitor for enhanced durability. The package comes with essential accessories like a USB car charger, double-sided tape, cable clips, and more. It supports Class 10 microSD cards up to 128 GB and is compatible with multiple languages. With its compact, hidden design and robust build, the AZDOME M300 is an ideal choice for reliable and intelligent car surveillance. Number 5. AZDOME M300 Dashcam. The 70mm 4K Dashcam A810 is a high-performance car DVR that combines advanced imaging technology, smart features, and user-friendly functionality. Equipped with Sony's latest Starvis 2 IMX678 CMOS sensor, it offers exceptional 4K video quality with enhanced low-light performance, thanks to its larger sensor size and improved pixel sensitivity. The device supports HDR dual-channel recording, capturing front 4K and rear 1080p HDR footage for superior clarity, color accuracy, and exposure balance. With a 150 degrees wide field of view, f1.8 aperture, and exclusive night owl vision technology, it ensures excellent nighttime recording. The dashcam features a built-in GPS, ADAS, advanced driver assistance system, motion detection, parking monitor, and speed coordinate recording. It supports up to 256 GB external memory and offers connectivity via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB 2.0, and microSD, TF. Additional options include a rear cam and hardwire kits for parking monitoring. Designed for ease of use, the A810 includes a 3-inch -5 IPS display, multiple language support, loop cycle recording, and anti-flicker functionality, making it an ideal choice for safe and reliable driving documentation.